I typed P in search bar on Larry's computer as a joke, but this was no joke. Top results showed Pinar explosion chamber. I was looking outside one night before bed and saws the boogeyman. Oh, hell nah.
He's gonna try to touch me. I swear to God.